bedtime. High up in the night sky, there was a little star named Twinkle. Twinkle was smaller than the other stars and felt shy about shining brightly. Every night, the big stars would twinkle proudly, lighting up the sky, but Twinkle would hide behind a cloud, afraid that their light wasn't bright enough. One night, Luna, the kind moon, noticed Twinkle hiding. "Why don't you come out and shine, little star?" Luna asked gently. Twinkle sighed. "I'm too small. My light won't make a difference." Luna smiled warmly. Every light in the sky is important, no matter how big or small. You see, it's not about how bright you shine. It's about being yourself. Twinkle thought about Luna's words and decided to give it a try. Slowly, Twinkle peeked from behind the cloud and let out a tiny sparkle. To Twinkle's surprise, a sleepy child down on Earth looked up and smiled, feeling comforted by the little star's glow. From that night on, Twinkle shined a little brighter, knowing that even the smallest light can brighten someone's night.